Hi, I'm Teresa Klein. I'm on Saltard at Selene 53, which we love. We've been at the Selene Rendezvous 3 years, and this one was really, really good. Learning about knots, learning how to cook, eating what the chef taught us how to cook, learning about lithium-ion batteries, the distillery, and just getting to know a lot of fun people. And the illusionist was awesome. If anyone's interested in coming next year, please do so. It was just really a lot of fun. See ya!
I'm Nancy Davidson. My husband and I own Three Witches, Selene 53. And I love the boat so much that when my husband said he wanted to sell it and didn't want to cruise the following year, I actually figured out how to single-hand it. And that's what I did last summer. Just added a couple things to it. Such an easy boat to run that even a woman can single-hand it.
Everybody having a good time?